Julia, curbing back a little bit of those gains, but still really beating those hot Korean IPOs that we've seen in the past year.
Yes, this was definitely basically a blowout deal. It had record levels of demand both from institutional investors and retail. So on the institutional side, it was oversubscribed over 1,880 times, which beat, for example, the IPO last year of Big Hit, the K-pop band BTS's agency, which was also a very popular deal. On the retail side, it got almost 81 trillion won in bids for shares. So that was beating the previous record, which was only set in March by SK Bioscience. So it certainly shows that there was a huge level of interest in this IPO, that demand for share sales in Korea remains hot, and that's also as the country set for a record year for IPOs. Those are the expectations, at least.
Julia, is there any danger of a pullback for the Kospi? Because, speaking of flying high, we know that the broader market is one of the best performers in the world, and we have seen this recent, even more of a rejuvenation on foreign buying.
Well, for now, it's looking okay. So even though there might be the risks to the wider stock market, in terms of when these IPOs come and they're sort of really hot companies are really sought after, then they're still doing well. And they're sort of beating back any sort of broader concerns about volatility and all that. So for that, at least for now, it's looking like it's sort of plain sailing, and that the share sales should keep coming this year.